Hello everybody, welcome back to another video in Crypto Scanner. So today we have a new video, a new review about a new topic that we will talk about in our channel. But before we dive into this video, I would like to ask you to follow our channel, like to this video, and especially comment to this video to see all your vision and to answer after you finish this video. So see you after this intro. So welcome back to the second part of our video. So as you see here, this is our platform Zoomex, and this is the event of today. But before we dive into this event, I would like to talk with you first. Our platform Zoomex is founded in 2021, and it's a global cryptocurrency trading platform with over 3 million users across than 35 countries and regions, offering 600 trading pairs guided by the core value like simple, user-friendly, and fast. Zoomex is also committed to the principles of fairness, integrity, and transparency, delivering a high-performance, low-barrier, and trustworthy trading experience. So this is our platform as you see here before we go to our event. And as I said, it's powered by high-performance matching engine and transparent assets and order displays. Zoomex ensures consistent trade execution and fully traceable results. This approach reduces information and allows users to clarity understand the asset status and every trading outcome. All that while prioritizing speed and efficiency. The platform continues to optimize product structure and overall user experience. And the official partners of has F1 team, Zoomex brings the same focus on speed and also reliable rules execution from the racetrack to trading in addition. And Zoomex also has an ambassador, it's Emiliano Martinez, and the goal is professional and discipline and consistency further reinforce Zoomex commitment to fair trading and long-term user trust. So Zoomex is building a trading environment that is simple, more transparent, more secure, and more accessible. So let's go now to our event. So global markets are once again facing very intensive geopolitical tension that creates volatility across the financial system. So whenever this situation like this appear, investors start looking for assets that historically protect value. One of the most trusted assets is always the gold. So for centuries, gold has been the safest haven for all investors, but the gold that we know is the physical gold. But today we will talk about another kind of gold. So today things are changing because gold is no longer limited on traditional markets, but it's this evolution of blockchain technology. Gold can be also now exists on chain. So the form of digital assets, this means investor can gain exposure to gold through the crypto ecosystem and while still benefiting from stability and the gold history offers. And unlike the traditional markets, the crypto markets operate 24 hours day by day and also 7 days in the week, not like the open markets or the classic markets, just 5 days without weekends. Let's talk now about our event. So Mars Gold Protection Plan, $200,000. So this is the prize pool that you can benefit. Gold token dollars, and this event will end in the 31 of this month, March of 2026. You can register it now by clicking here, and as you see here, it's still 25 days to finish this event. This is the lucky draw as you see here. So if you spin now, you can win one of these draws. It depends on your luck, of course. So $5 coupon, $50 voucher, $5 bonus in Tether. So you can check all that and you can spin. But before that, you must register to have your main chance. As you see here, 0. But if you register and you do, and you are part of this event, you can spin and win in this lucky draw. Okay. Task Center. So as you see here, lottery ticket record. You can check it from here. But here, this is the Task Center that calculates your task. So first deposit, 5 lucky draw that you can benefit here. Also 10 lucky draws if you reach the total deposit of 200. 1 lucky draw daily trading volume, 1 lucky draw daily trading volume also. So you can check all that here to benefit from the lucky draw and to use it here. Okay, so events rule. But before we go to the event rules, I would like to tell you why Zoomex. So Zoomex is a global cryptocurrency trading platform founded in 2021 and now serving more than 3 million users across over 35 countries and regions. So the platform offers more than 600 trading pairs and focuses on providing a trading experience that is simple, user-friendly, and fast for both new and experienced traders. And Zoomex plays strong and transparent fairness in trading with a high-performance matching engine and transparent order and assets display. Traders can clearly see their position and trading outcomes. This approach reduces information and allow users to understand exactly what is happening in the trades in the real time. Also, another factor, an important factor for any trading platform, is reliability during the volatile market. So Zoomex has built an infrastructure to ensure consistent trade even when markets become extremely active, and fast order processing and stable liquidity help traders manage their position without delays, which is especially important during period of sudden market movement. Now, after we have checked this platform and why you can trust this platform, now let's talk about the rules. So as you see here, users must click in the join now button that you can check in the top, and they complete the UTA account upgrade to be considered successfully registered in the activity. Only feature trading volume counted in the activity. Users must complete at least one feature trade per day to complete daily check and obtain the lottery qualification for that day. And user must accumulate minimum of 5,000 USD in feature trading volume to be eligible for rewards. If the required volume is not reached within the week, the reward will be issued after the task is completed. And all the rewards will be distributed every Thursday. Users who meet the rewards requirement this week will receive their rewards in the following Thursday. So if users are found to have multiple accounts, malicious arbitrage behaviors, fraud, or any other improper conduct, Zoomex reserves the right to disqualify them and reclaim any distributed and undistributed rewards. Zoomex reserves the right to adjust, modify, and make the final interpretation of these activities rules without prior notice. So participation eligibility depends on some reason may not be open for the participation. Please refer the activity page for the actual availability. Okay, so this was the rules of our event of today. So this was the full about the March gold protection plan, or expose the teacher gold trading pairs. You can find the campaign link in the bio. Always remember to do your own research, manage risk carefully, and approach trading with a clear strategy. Okay, this was about the event. So that was about the video of today. Thank you very much for watching us. Don't forget to put like to this video, follow to our channel, and especially comment to this video to see your vision about this product, or to see your vision about this video, and also to answer all the questions that you have. So see you in the next video.